Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuti Studio. For this quick tutorial, let's make this cute crocheted coin purse. And before starting, make sure you hit the subscribe button and like this video. I got this metal frame in Daiso and decided to make a coin purse with it. They have similar ones in Amazon as well. I will link everything on the description below. Also, this cotton wool in Daiso. Daiso has this amazing collection of crafts in a very cheap price. If your town has a Daiso outlet, do not forget to visit. And I'm using a 3mm size crochet hook. So we will make a circle like my last flower coaster video. If you guys have not seen the video yet, link is on the description below. So make a magic ring and 8 single crochet on the ring. On the second row, make 2 single crochet on each of the 8 single crochet and add a slip stitch on end of every row. Third row, we will make 2 in the same, then a single crochet on the next one and complete the whole circle like this. For the fourth row, we will have 1 single crochet on the first one, then 2 in the same, again 1 single crochet and follow this pattern. Likewise, you have to make some more rows. Unless the circle is completely aligned with the frame like this. The size has to be aligned. After that, you just have to make a single crochet all around, no increase of chains anymore. If you have difficulty in identifying the first chain of the rows, you can always use a marker. On this marked chain, you have to make a slip stitch at the end of each row. And after a while of making single crochet, the sides will come out like this. Keep making single crochet unless you got your desired length. I made it around 2 inches long, and then we will attach this to the frame. First turn it inside out, then we need a needle. I notice I have this little holes on the sides of the frame. I'm adding a knot with the help of this needle just to provide a little extra support. Do the same thing on the other sides as well, but make sure the fabric is folded exactly in between. Then, to secure the rest of the portion, use any PVA or fabric glue and fill up the frame like this. Then simply push the fabric to fit into the frame. Give it a really good time to get the glue dry. Then do the same thing on the other side as well. And this even have a little hoop to attach your keychain here. That's it, the little coin purse is done. I hope you liked the video. See you on my next one. Bye bye.